How to create group chat in TikTok. So let's get started with this tutorial. First of all, launch the TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure to log into your TikTok account. Once you get to your home page, now tap on this inbox icon from the menu bar at the bottom of this interface. Now once you're on your inbox page, again, if you tap the plus icon from the top left corner, you will get this option to create a new chat. Now to create a group chat, select the members that you would like to add to the group chat. Now once you have selected the members to add to your group chat, tap on this button from the bottom of this interface that says Start Group Chat. And with that, a group chat has been created in TikTok. Now you can chat in your group. So that's how you can create group chat in TikTok, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.